Before you install your Brady LED sign projector, there are some important things you need to consider when selecting a mounting location. Choose an area with reasonable airflow, that's clear of flammable materials, and has access to a standard power source. It's best to mount the projector centered above the projected image. Be sure the mounting structure can hold about 10 times the weight of the projector. Next, consider your mounting height and lens angle. These are the two biggest impacts on the appearance of your projected sign. In general, the higher the projector is from the floor, the larger the image. The wider the lens angle, the larger the image. The smaller the image, the brighter it will be. For additional guidance, reach out to Brady support or your local sales rep. Begin by attaching the yoke to the fixture using the provided hardware. To install the GOBO, remove the retaining ring on the GOBO holder. This will vary by projector. Either rotate the threaded ring counterclockwise or squeeze the pins of the wire ring together and remove it. If a GOBO is already present, carefully tip the projector forward and allow the GOBO to fall into your hand. Insert the desired GOBO into the holder. Replace the retaining ring in the holder, evenly pushing the GOBO all the way back. Finish by screwing the lens tube back over the GOBO holder. When you're ready, mount the fixture into position using your preferred method. Always install a safety cable, anchoring the projector to the mounting structure. Plug in the projector and check the position of your image on the floor. It's likely you'll need to focus and adjust the rotation of your projected image. First, focus your image by twisting the projector lens in and out. On first use, it might take many outward turns to reach focus. If your image needs to be rotated, unplug the projector and unscrew the lens tube. Turn the GOBO holder to rotate the image. Replace the lens tube so it's snug against the projector. Plug in the projector and recheck your image. Readjust your focus if needed, and secure the lens position by tightening the lock ring. If using in a wet environment, make sure there is an O-ring seal between the lock ring and the lens tube and the projector. For additional support, reach out to Brady today.